Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites quickly. Make sure the game version and any required DLC are active, then save to a safe slot. Next, travel to the designated biome or region where the Seishin Orb mimic can spawn. Set up a short patrol route to maximize encounter rate. Once at the zone, apply detection buffs or gear that reveal mimics. This first push increases spawn window efficiency and reduces wasted time while you initiate the detailed search routine. You proceed by sweeping spawn points in a predictable, repeatable loop, clockwise or along a grid, to avoid missing pockets. While moving, deploy bait or trap items and cast any scanning ability to force reveal states. Mimics often trigger on interaction. Once you detect candidate behavior, approach cautiously and poke with a light attack or trap to confirm mimic versus static orb. When confirmed, transition into your planned engagement. Use crowd control or burst depending on mimic mechanics, and keep distance to avoid. You finish by securing the orb and checking loot immediately for variations tied to mimic rank. After that, loot, then reposition to a safe extraction point or stash. If the mimic never appeared, change the world seed or in-game time, or fully reset the region by leaving and returning. This forces a fresh spawn table. If you still fail, troubleshoot. Clear UI overlays, re-equip detection items, restart the session, and verify no conflicting mods are blocking spawn. That resolves most persistent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.